So I have officially started working on my MEGAMIND cosplay, and here's just a little process video of me putting together the bodysuit. Obviously it still needs all the fancy details, and there's a lot more to go for this whole outfit, but it felt really good to actually make a start. I've had this fabric sitting in my room for weeks, and it's, you know, it's finally started, and I'm hoping to get some good work done on it soon. But this is the base of the bodysuit. I'm very happy with how it fits. It's really comfy and easy to wear. Yeah, and I'm back with another MEGAMIND update. Today I'm working on the collar piece. I just drafted my patterns, drew them out till I liked them, and it's basically just craft foam with like a vinyl pleather layered over the top. I did put some wire in the top of the collar to give it a bit more sort of structure, and it looks pretty cool. And I made this little badge, this little MEGAMIND badge, which is adorable, and this is the pieces together. I haven't attached them yet, still figuring that out. Successfully attached the collar to the base of the collar, but she's a little top heavy, so I think what I'm going to do is maybe put some magnets in that connect to the bodysuit that stop it from doing that. But when it sits where it's meant to, pretty happy, and it's pretty sturdy, so yay! Sorry I haven't been posting any MEGAMIND updates for a little bit. I have been very sick, you can probably hear it in my voice. I still feel very crappy, but I finished up the collar today. I had finished the spikes a couple days ago before I got sick. They are very sturdy and I'm very happy with how they look. And today I just added this handy dandy little ribbon. It'll go under the bodysuit to keep the weight forwards because I was having this issue where it kept sliding back. But yeah, so I fixed it. Okay, so this is where we're sitting for MEGAMIND so far. Collar is done. Base of the bodysuit is done. I think I'm going to put just like some little slits in the bodysuit to feed the ribbon underneath, so that obviously that's not going to be visible. I think today I'm going to work on the cape and maybe also the gloves. I want to do the cape first just so I make sure I've got enough fabric and I don't accidentally cut into the fabric I need for the cape. And then eventually I'm going to get to like the blue detailing on the bodysuit. It's a little intimidating because I've got to make the patterns for it, but I will get there and it's going to be beautiful. And then I just have to save up money for the boots, and we're pretty much there. But yeah, I'm excited for this. I hope you guys are enjoying little work in progresses, and yay! Okay, bye! I've got one glove base done for MEGAMIND, sort of elbow length. I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. I've struggled with gloves in the past, so it's nice to have one that looks fairly decent. Yeah, got a bit of work to do. I've got to add spikes to it and everything, and I think I'm going to add like a thumb slit here so that I can use my phone and stuff when I'm at a convention, so yay! MEGAMIND gloves are done, and they look so spiky and awesome, and I actually realized the spandex is conductive, so I can use my phone with them. Got another little MEGAMIND update coming at ya. I took some time today to work on making his gun. So this is like the dehydrator, destroy, de-everything gun. I don't know if it has an official name, but anyway, it's getting there. So this is a combination of foam, EVA foam, foam clay, and a 3D printer pen, which I use to do these little bits and pieces here and here. Obviously everything still needs to be primed, smoothed, that kind of thing, but it's coming along nicely. It looks pretty cute, and I'm very happy with it. So yay, there we go, something else. Whee! I've got two little MEGAMIND updates tonight. I have, as you can see, I have sewn on the blue pattern. It's not quite done. There is another like line that goes around everything. This was really tricky, but I think it looks okay. The legs are a little baggy, but I think my boots are going to come up to like here anyway, so hopefully you won't be able to notice it much. And this line here, I had to make a seam, but I will have a belt, so that should cover that. And the other update is the gun nearly done. I've just got to add some details, but I've got all the writing all done. So we've got our like funny little phrases on here. Little dehydrate gun. Yeah, so I'm really proud of how this is turning out. Yay! Okay, my MEGAMIND gun is officially done. It's looking very nice and shiny. I added, you know, just some details and stuff to to the top of it and everything, and just outlined the words to make them look a little more stand-outy. I am not the greatest at painting, but I think, from a distance, I still think this looks pretty cool, and I'm happy with the build, and I'm just going to keep working on my painting skills. But yeah, anyway, so this is another part of Megamind, done and dusted. Pew pew pew! So I have officially finished my Megamind bodysuit. Jesus Christ, this nearly killed me. Sewing on this outer layer especially. I know it's not perfect, but considering I had 3 mental breakdowns trying to do it, I'm pretty happy. So yeah, bodysuit is done. The cape is done, the collar is done, the gun prop is done. All I have left to do now is to make the belt and the gun holster. I've trimmed and styled my wig. I know he's bald, but trust me, I'm doing a different kind of version. And then I have to get my boots, which I'm ordering next week, hopefully. And yeah, it's really coming along. I'm so excited. Yay! That is a great question, and I will show you what I did. If I'd been smarter, I would have done this before I put the whole bodysuit together, but I'm not smart. So basically, I made the black bodysuit base, and then I made my pattern for these pieces. Basically, I put tape all over myself to make the pattern the right size and shape, cut that out of my blue spandex and literally sewed it on top of the black. So obviously it didn't catch on the back side of the suit because the zip opens up, so you can see here the stitching of how I've sewn it on. The legs were more tricky because the zip does not go down all the way. I don't know how I managed to do this. It was really, really hard, but basically I just kind of slid it onto my sleeve bit of my sewing machine. But yeah, it's pretty much the same process. I just sewed it on top of the bodysuit. Hope that helps. Testing out my lipstick that I bought for Megamind. This is a Sephora brand lip stain. The lady told me it was long stay. A little bit comes off when I test it, but it's not the worst, so I think it will do for a convention. Okay guys, Megamind is done. But I am going to be a huge disappointment, and I'm not showing the whole product yet. Please don't hate me. I'm still waiting for the boots to come in, and I don't want to do a big reveal without the boots because they're so cool. They're a massive part of the character. So I have finished everything that I need to build, and hopefully it'll be about 2 or 3 weeks before the boots get here. They're coming from overseas, so it's going to take a while. But I will show you what I've just finished. The 2 belts are done. So we've got our fancy spiky belt here, and then the gun holster here with the gun. So, pew! Sits in nicely there. Got this little elastic strap around my leg, which he does actually wear in the movie as well. I might swap this for a thicker one, because it's a little weak. But aside from that, it's done.
You're a villain, all right. Just not a super one.
Yeah? What's the difference?